Alright, what's going on YouTube? We're back and we're working on the Cabrio again. And today we're actually prepping to pull out the motor. We have gotten pretty far in the last video. We got the whole front end pulled off. And we actually got the engine hoist assembled, which was kind of an important part of doing this. Right now we're working on pulling the top part of the intake manifold off so that we can actually get to the exhaust. It just makes it a little easier with the intake manifold out of the way. So Quinn's working on that. Meanwhile, I'm working on just organizing a little bit so that when we pull the motor, we'll have a place to actually put it. Yeah, we've just basically removed everything on the front end of the motor. We do plan on leaving the transmission in for now, just to make things a little bit easier as far as mocking up the new motor. So let's get to it. Alright. So, axle bolt stripped. So I'm just gonna cut the axle, cut the exhaust, and cut everything. Okay. We got new axles.
2 sets.
Pressing your brakes. It's gone.
Yay!
Tool smoking though.
Yeah.
No narcotics. Oh shit. Alright, so I kind of skipped out a little bit. We fought a little bit on pulling stuff out. We did cut the axles because the bolts were stripped and undid all the motor mounts, and now we're just in the process of pulling this motor out. I don't like how much it's lifting the front of the car. Oh,
There you go. The other way?
yeah.
No. This way.
That's coming. There we go. Let's see what we're caught on now. Everything. Crank pulley is actually what's catching us. I'm gonna drop it in a little bit.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Alright.
Let me at least bring this over.
Alright, so we're gonna have to kind of pull on the.
Ready?
You're still caught on something on that side. Okay. Pulling that side in there. Quinn, there's another mount. I'm gonna kill you.
What do you, how is there another one?
There's another mount, Quinn.
How?
Rear fanny mount. Quinn, man.
We got all of them by now. That's
I thought we did too. Oh, there's
That-
another one right there.
that's 5. I didn't think this thing had 5.
Apparently it does, Quinn. Apparently it does.
Sorry.
Where's the Smith mount? Oh,
Underneath the ABS block.
Chris, you know exactly what that is.
Right under here. In like the worst possible spot. I have.
You can't even get anything with that, man.
When you're fired.
I'm not fired for this. This is not a fireable offense.
Yes.
Look, man. You're supposed to be the Volkswagen expert.
For Mark Force. Not Mark. No.
It's probably gonna be too long. Okay. Hey, Volkswagen. Why does one car need 5 motor mounts?
Well, you guys aren't doing anything with this belt, clearly. Can I just fuck it up?
Hey, if you want to cut it, you can cut it. It serves no purpose.
Yeah!
Fuck this thing good.
I'm sorry. What do you have to cut?
If you go into, assuming Mark returned the tools he used, which he didn't.
That's okay, I can use these.
I was already there today.
I was stuck on this again. Alright, let me get a pry bar. Do I have any big pry? Where's all the big pry bars? You need those, I'm assuming. probably do need those for the new one.
I don't know if it comes with it.
Hold on to them just in case.
I am.
Okay.
I'm just curling on the ground right now.
What?
What? What?
Is that the nearest White Castle for you, John?
I looked up the nearest White Castle, and it involves a ferry.
You know, Quinn, probably would have been smart to move that in the first place, considering it needs to be removed anyway.
What? This one is so much closer. Why is it showing me one fucking 2 hours away?
Here. See the vault?
The old man you wet White Castle. Only hours.
Hold on.
That's...
Stop.
There's like that line. I don't know where it goes to.
Oh, this line?
Yeah.
It's still connected?
God damn it, Quinn.
God damn it, Quinn. I don't know. Looks like an AC line,
Just cut it.
but I don't think it is. Seeing where it goes here. Coolant line maybe of some sort?
Steering line?
Yeah.
You're a bitch.
Power steering line.
You're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. Okay, anyways.
You probably raise it up enough and then kind of easy way to disconnect it.
Oh, I'm retarded.
Alright, let's put this in the Miata.
There's someone else.
We'll make the slowest speed 5.8 ever.
So that line.
More coolant. Back there.
Yeah, it's power steering pump line. So you need a pretty
No,
much
it's okay. You already don't have power steering.
I'm not going to use it anyway.
I don't know what size it is. It's large.
What the fuck did I do?
Raise your hand with it.
That's just what happens when you're near a Volkswagen.
Apparently.
I'm fucking...
I'm bleeding.
I
I didn't do anything.
No, I don't think you're... Are you bleeding? Cause
Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Oh.
Fucking Quinn, man.
What do you forget to do? I didn't
Everything.
know. How was I supposed to know there was a fifth amount?
Quinn's been
How was
fucking
I
up a lot
supposed to
today.
know?
Yeah. Fucking.
I haven't even been here an hour yet, and Quinn's fucked up quite a hefty amount. Fucking Quinn. Sorry, Quinn.
Okay. And what is it? Oh, it's just wrapped up and everything. There it is. ABA removed. Probably should know a little more about Volkswagen before we just pull motors.
Nah, that's no fun.
But it's out. Now we're gonna. Next thing we're gonna do is prep the engine bay for the new motor. Swap kit comes in. Before you know it, this thing will have a 5-cylinder in it.